Your heart races for no obvious reason. Your chest tightens before something that shouldn't be this frightening. Your mind runs ahead to the worst possible outcome before anything has even happened, and you wonder why you can't just be normal, why you can't just calm down. Here's what's actually happening. Your anxiety isn't random. It's your nervous system reading from a script written in a season when things really were that dangerous, when staying alert really did keep you safe, when worrying ahead really did help you prepare for what was coming. The anxiety learned that vigilance was survival, and it never got the update that the season changed. Here's the solution. When anxiety fires, don't fight it. Don't tell it to stop. Say this instead. Fear you. You were trying to protect me, but that season is over. I am safe right now, in this moment, right here. Then breathe slowly. 5 counts in, 5 counts out. 3 times. You're not calming the anxiety down. You're updating the script, one moment at a time. Tonight's exercise. Write down what season your anxiety learned its current script from. Then write, that season is over. The script no longer applies. I am updating it now. If the rebuild speaks to you, the link is in my bio. Comment reset if your anxiety has been reading from a script that belongs to a season that's already over.